Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the do's and don'ts in steaming. Steaming is a traditional habit of read from antiquity. But in this corona period, it is very popular among the people. There is no proof or evidence that doing steam inhalation kills the virus or decreases the viral load or it will stop multiplying the virus. But doing steam inhalation may disturb the virus but not kill or decreases its viral load. Now we can see the do's in steam inhalation. Normal plain water is enough for the steam inhalation. Boiling the plain water in the vessel and using it is a very effective method in steam inhalation. Doing steam inhalation for about 10 to 12 minutes is more than enough. It is not needed to do steam inhalation for a long time. There should be a distance of at least 10 to 15 inch in between the vessel and us. Inhaling in between a short distance can lead to various problems. Do steaming only if you have any other symptoms. Doing steaming unnecessarily can cause unwanted stuff. Now we can see the don'ts in steam inhalation. Don't do excess steam inhalation. As said, elixir is also poisonous in excess. Avoid steaming for a long time or doing steaming thrice or twice a day. If you have any other symptoms, can take steaming once in a day. There is no need to put unnecessary ingredients into the steamer. Hence, plain water is more than enough for the steam inhalation. Avoid steaming in plastic steamers or plastic containers or plastic facial steamers. Doing this kind of habit can lead to various kind of severe problems. Boiling water along the plastic can cause severe conditions while inhaling it. That is, it can lead to cancerous diseases also. So, it is good to avoid while steaming. Don't do steam inhalation unnecessarily. Avoid doing steam inhalation unnecessarily. As government said, strictly avoid steaming in public places. By steaming in the public places while inhaling the steam, we may end up in inhaling the unwanted pathogens and it may lead to pneumonia. Also, if we are affected with any other virus, it also spreads to other people around us. Don't give steam inhalation for babies. Doing anything with the advice from the doctors will be good. And also avoid direct steaming for babies. Don't share the used steamers with others. Can use it after sterilizing it properly. As this is an awareness video, kindly share to everyone. I have given the link of the Physio Murai Tamil channel in the description box. Kindly check it out.